why I'm doing this, guys, but it's for you.
3, 2, 1, go! Ah!
We're gonna cut the apple peach, and I'm so scared because I really like this one. It's literally stuck. I was actually gonna make it. Sedona Fun Kids TV. Yeah! Hey guys, it's me, Sedona. Today we're back again with another awesome video. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so whenever I post a new video, you know when it's out. So today we're doing the best squishy and slime dares in one video. First, we're gonna start off with scooters versus slime and squishies.
So this is the slime. Timmy already ran over it.
By an accident.
and,
Take me soda.
and this is the squishy. Okay guys, get ready.
Woo! Oh my god, guys! What? Look what it did! Timmy, you wanna run over it one more time? Yes, we can! One more time!
He will go into the squishy and then into the slime. Ah! And now we are gonna do another slime versus electric scooter. Look at this, guy. This is an amazing slime. Is that clear? I love this
It's
one.
clear slimes.
We're just gonna go into it with the back wheel and see what happens. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Ah!
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god!
It ate it.
It ate it! It actually took it off. Let me. Okay, and this is the slime, guys. Now
That was so funny, Mom.
I know.
Woo!
Ah! Okay. Oh man, it's sprayed all over me. Oh my gosh.
That's very powerful.
Okay, here we go, guys. The electric scooter versus squishies and slime. 3, 2,
2.
1. Ah! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, it's making a fluffy.
Guys, look at my leg. Jeez. Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
It's freaking metal. Guys, these are our new electric scooters from Mega Wheels. This one's mine, by the way.
The green one is Timmy's and the black one is Sedona's. I don't know why they have them the other way around. They're so fast. If you want to get them, the link will be down in the description. And what else Sloth Squad gets?
I know. They get 20% off with their first buy.
You can fold them too.
Yeah, look. Lift this thing up. You lift up that thing, and you can pick it up.
Yeah.
Transport. It shows you the battery, and it tells you if it's on. This is the charging station.
Yeah, it charges in 3 hours, guys. It is a little stand.
Low stand, and this is the on. This one is the forward button, and this is the stop button. What does that red thing at the back do? It shows cars if you're on the road or something.
It's a safety feature.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mega Wheels.
We really appreciate that you sending us these. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna cut this mochi seal open because it's my favorite squishy. So, guys, I had this for a long time. Smell it.
It smells nice.
Smells nice. Goodbye. Oh my god.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm gonna pull the chain out just because.
No.
Okay.
No.
Oh my gosh.
It's white inside.
I know.
No.
Oh my god, Timmy
Stop,
is
Timmy.
freaking out. This is so cute. Oh my god. Timmy had to leave. I feel so bad.
Are you a little bit sad?
I'm so sad, but I'm also happy that I did the dare.
Guys, give Sedona a like because this was a big sacrifice and it made Timmy upset.
I don't know why I'm doing this, guys, but it's for you. Here's this. Here's this part. Here's this part. Here's this part. So guys, this is my potato salad slime I made with Martha, and I really like it. So Timmy's gonna take off the top, and I'm gonna put it in dirt, and I'm so upset. Take it out. Good boy. So guys, here it is. I look so cold. It's actually very warm. Touch it. It's warm, huh? Am I gonna dump the whole thing? All of it. No. Okay.
Can I smear it?
Okay, do it.
Can I smear it with my foot?
Whatever. We're gonna.
No, I don't want to make mess in their yard.
I'm so sad. Stop! Stop! So it actually does poke very good. And Timmy accidentally stepped on it, so that's the pattern. So yeah. And now I'm just gonna mix it in and make it a crunchy slime.
Nearly.
It's cold. Oh my god, this is so gross. Oh my god. Oh! It's so disgusting.
Goodbye, slime.
Okay, goodbye slime.
Guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up.
This is our penguin squishy that we're gonna be dragging with the car.
It's slow rising. We're gonna tie it to the car.
Yeah.
And then we tie it to a piece of string. And then we're gonna drag it on the road. I'm sorry. I don't like it. Okay.
Drop it on the floor.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared.
I'm sorry, penguin.
Oh my god, no! Goodbye.
Okay.
No!
Say that to me.
Oh no, no.
Your car.
Oh no, no. Oh no.
The squishy!
So just go to Walmart with the squishy attached to the car and Timmy's day.
Oh, I got run over by a couple.
Oh my god, it's...
Oh, the paint came off. The feet.
Oh.
Oh.
It looks like the guy from Happy Death Day.
Oh, it's all dirty. Okay.
It looks like the guy
And
in
his
the
neck is coming off. I feel bad.
What?
Me too. I feel bad.
Imagine if that was you and then the skin was coming off. Oh.
Oh.
The next step is to cut up a squishy and put the slime in the middle. I gave this to you for Christmas last year.
You did?
This is so scary.
Her name was easier.
Okay, so let's... I never ever saw orange foam like inside a squishy.
Orange? It's called red. Timmy knows colors better than
I thought it was gonna be like beige or like white like it is normally. So guys, I'm gonna take a little chunk and then get bigger and bigger. So let's make a squishy sandwich. Let's just stuff this in there. Okay guys, so let's squish it. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is it. And now let's cut it up and put it in the blender.
Timmy's gonna cut up this very cute koala bun.
Oh, goodbye.
Done. Oh God. I'm sorry. Beat, crumb, blend, chop.
It's a fly in there. Oh my god. Oh, we need to keep this on here.
Wow.
I have to push it down. It looks like snow.
I'm gonna add my apple squishies. We're gonna add in the slime. And then to make it an actual smoothie, we're gonna add some hand lotion and water. And sorry about the color. Guys, to be honest with you, it looks like a strawberry milkshake. Let's pour it out. Yuck.
That's slime. That slime looks so cool.
That's slime though.
Look,
Oh
that
my God.
the apple blended so much better than the koala bun.
Oh,
Look at guys. This is so weird.
We are gonna put this cafe and cream puff in the freezer
To make it more slow rising and squishy.
because it's very spongy.
oh my gosh, it's an apple piece.
This is a freezer, sweetie.
Oh yeah, that looks so good. Okay, now we're just gonna look for food.
Okay, hopefully it will still be there when we get back.
1 hour later.
Do you think it will still be there?
Yeah. I hope it is.
It's still there.
Let's check it. Oh my gosh. It's even more dense than it was.
Oh, it is.
It is a crop top. It's my favorite shirt. I was actually gonna make I was actually gonna make a smiley face, but this does not look like a smiley face. Okay. Wait. Are there caterpillars?
Sweetie.
Wait, this is the hair. You like my shirt? Its hair's hanging off. I don't care. Do you guys see that? It's squeezing through the little holes. Oh my god.
I don't think we will be able to wash this.
Just can't believe it. Okay guys, we're gonna throw the squishy in the water.
Guys, the squishy isn't slow rising anymore. Look at that. It's hard to show you guys.
Is it bubbling?
Yes, it's bubbling.
Oh, I wanna see it,
It's bubbling.
I wanna see it. It smells like bacon. Okay. Okay. It does have some glitter in it, but yeah, let's mix it. I made the slime so nice.
It is?
Yeah. But guys, you should probably wait an hour before you touch it. Now we're in the bathroom. We're gonna throw these squishies in the toilet. Here it is. This one's really nice. But, ready, set, smash it hard. Gross. I have to push up the button.
It's gone. It's coming back.
I hear noise. It's gonna be a loud splash.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone.
Oh my god, it's that! Just kidding. Please,
Squish the squish.
yeah, just like that.
That's weird. Where'd you get that? Tokyo? Oh, that's cool.
I have this slime right here.
You're gonna put it on something in the store. Okay. There you go. Put it on the cans.
Gonna put it on the cans.
Let's walk away. Let's walk away.
So guys, it's been a few minutes. Let's check on the slime.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, put it back in the container.
I actually want to walk around with it.
Okay.
It won't
Oh my gosh.
It's fine.
Guys, I don't want to get kicked out.
So Roblox Honey said that we should glue a bunch of squishies together.
I'm gonna cut this little top off.
Yep.
So it sticks better. Okay, I'm sticking it on.
See guys, it's all stuck together.
This is quite a cool squishy.
Literally, it was so hard to make. And
What did you do with my brother?
So guys, Ravender Car suggested that I should put slime on my mom's phone to make an extra dare. I'm also gonna pour some glitter on her phone. So what you'll need is your mom's iPhone X, or just basically.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, okay, it turned on. Faith send me a message. Love you, girl. Oh, we should make a swirl on her phone.
It's putting in the password.
What the heck? Okay.
Oh no, it's dialing something. Oh no. I think it's waterproof, guys.
I hope so. It better be. So pretty. Guys, don't do this unless your mom's permission. That's the whole batch. Oh, guys, what if the slime went in the charger hole?
Oh man, I'm scared. I want my phone back. I want my phone back.
Nope. So pretty. Oh, okay. No, not today. This is literally the prettiest butter slime I've ever seen. Anyways, now let's do some ASMR.
Now take it off.
Yeah, actually, do we have to?
Yeah, take it off.
It's literally stuck. I don't think it's gonna come off, Mama. Let's see if it still works. It does work, guys. See?
Yay!
Yay! Guys, we're gonna throw the squishy up there, but we can't get it back because it's abandoned. This is one of my favorites. Okay, well, let's throw it up there.
Yeah! And it's gone.
Wow, that's a pretty slime. So pretty. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my gosh. What are you gonna do with it? I don't know, probably put it down the slide. But I'm not gonna do the flown part because that one is just flown. That would make a lot of mess on the slide. We don't want it to make a lot of mess. We don't want the birds to eat it. No. Anyways, so I have this perfectly nice, good metallic piece. And now let's run up the slide. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Ow! What the heck are you doing? Ready? Set, go!
Okay, just go around.
This is so pretty. It's metallic.
We will not be able to see it because it is almost the same color as the slide. Oh!
Did it work?
Yeah!
I threw it down. Here it is. I threw it down the slide. Hey. Do you guys want to come with me when I throw it down? Come on. Ready, set, slime! Whoosh. Oh, no! Oh my god! This one was so pretty! Oh, it's actually a very nice crunchy slime now. So yeah, let's move on to the next stair. Okay guys, let's scare Blobby. 3, 2, 1. No! Help me! I'm coming!
I'm sorry. I wanted to help you up. She got a shock in her butt.
Help me!
Go!
Help me! Help me! Yay!
You saved me, then you threw me on my head. Oh my gosh! Oh, what the heck is that?
It's ticks.
I'm covered in ticks. Oh.
You're gonna get Lyme disease.
Anyways, guys, let's go home and do the rest of the test.
So guys, I have the my favorite and I have my least favorite. This one's really sticky.
And kind of gross, yeah.
It looks like bubble gum.
It looks like puke.
It looks like gum with puke. Ow! Ow!
It hurts,
The freaking
huh?
slime hurt me. That is gross. I don't like it. And this is my Dirty Litter Glass Ocean. This is one of my favorites. Gross. Gross. Okay, I'm just gonna bring the glass slime over here. I'm so sad right now.
It looks quite nice actually.
It does, but it doesn't feel quite nice. It actually turned it into a pretty good slime. So here's the slime. I'm gonna show you in a swirl. It's so glassy and thick.
What's up, Timmy? Oh,
So guys, I'm so upset right now because I'm gonna run over one of my favorite squishies, and it's a replica of the Eye Bloom Peach, but this is softer than the Eye Bloom Peach, and I love it, but we're gonna run over it. Oh my god. And look at it. Oh no guys, I'm so scared.
here I go.
Stop! Oh my god. There's a huge mark. Sorry from the string guys.
Oh my god.
It looks like a flag from England.
It has the tire print on there. Here it is, guys.
But yeah, this one's pretty cool. And here, this is slime because I could already feel the putty in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we cut it open. Wait. Oh my god. I'm happy I cut it open. Ready, set, go. Oh my god. What the heck? It's in a clear one? No way. Okay, so we got some slime. So let's cut the pie open. Oh my god. It is so cute. I don't want to do this, but I already did it, so I need to. Oh my god, that is cool. Like it's kind of sticky. Let's cut it open more. I like that. That's cool.
Why did you put it in the slime?
Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and another slime dare is this. I'm kind of gonna be doing like some of my own squishy dares today. We're gonna throw the squishy in the elevator. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, the squishy's going down. Oh. Watch out, there's a security guard.
Where's the squishy? What's gonna happen to the squishy? Wait, it's not coming back up. What if it's...
Let's press the button.
Okay, let's just...
Is it coming out?
The lady's nice to me.
Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Is there anybody in there? I hope nobody took the squishy. I hope nobody took the squishy.
1 eternity later.
Is it coming? Oh, there it is. Go and get it. Just come out with the squishy, quick. Come on. Come out.
Oh no! Mommy! Stop!
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Come on.
So it is kind of sticky.
Oh, he's in there.
Okay, yeah. He has some stains on him. So he has glitter all over him. And he has this thing. Yep. It actually made him squishier. So right now we're just going to light the squishy. So guys, this is it. It's really, really nice. Squirt it all over.
We have a lighter fluid.
Okay, ready, set, go. Hello? Light a freaking squishy on fire. Oh my god, guys, look, it's bubbling. Do you think we should put out the fire soon? No. I'm gonna have the water just in case. Oh my gosh. Guys, it smells kind of gross. Ready, set, go.
fine.
Guys, if you do this, always do it with adult supervision, okay?
I wanted to peel some.
Squish it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's sticky. It's weird. Gross.
Gosh.
Okay, now we're gonna cut an Iblum squishy. So guys, this is Iblum, and it's a little fox. I'm kind of excited to cut this Iblum squishy, but this is so cute. It doesn't smell as cute, but it's so surprising. I think I'm gonna rip the tail.
There was another day that bites the squishy into pieces.
Okay. It did not taste good. I'm so sad right now. But like, I'm just gonna cut off. She's like a witch because guys, witches, when they took off their shoes, they had no toes. Just cut off the head. I'm ready. Sure. Yeah.
Next squishy dare or challenge, I have to run up to Sedona and Timmy while they're riding it, and I have to try and shove this in the like dinosaur or whatever.
Do it, do it.
Stop it!
Okay,
Do it again.
shove it in the mouth.
Do it again. And then I'll be on the very top.
Hi, guys, I can't be running. Is it in there? Wait, leave it. Oh my gosh, it could run over. It could run over. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, poor
Quick,
bunny.
right on it now. Can you guys
Oh, you ran over the bunny.
So guys, the next dare is microwaving the smushy cat. So yeah, here it is.
I'll put it in for 30 seconds.
What's happening?
Is it bubbling? No.
Okay, take it out.
Oh,
What the? Did it
it's
melt?
cold.
What?
It's cold. Nothing happened to this little cat. Thank you.
It's so soft.
It is. We are gonna leave this here for one of you.
Ready, set, go. So yeah, one of you guys can find it.
Yeah, you can get it. It's not too far in the palm tree.
Or you can ask the parent to help you. So guys, comment down below because we want you to let us know if you guys find one of our squishies and if you live here or anything. So yeah, we're gonna cut the apple peach, and I'm so scared because I really like this one. We just got it like 2 months ago, so it's pretty new. I'm pretty sad. Oh, okay. No! I got it. Anyways, so yeah. It smells nice. So guys, here it is. Guys, this is the moment. No depression. Okay guys, before I do this, make sure you smash that like button in, let's say, 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Comment down below if you did it. I don't want to do it, but I'll do it for you guys. Oh, I don't want to do it. I'm gonna cut it nice and slowly because I want to have it.
She's doing it. She's doing it.
I can't believe I'm doing it. Oh. You do it, Blobby. I don't want to do it.
Okay. If I can grab the scissors.
You want me to help you, buddy?
Yeah. Push my nostrils through the hole. Okay, guys.
I hate how
I am ready.
I hate how he says it like that.
Okay.
cut it like where the cut is.
Doesn't matter, it's all chewed up anyways.
It's
Okay.
chewed up. Like I don't have any dogs. Okay. Oh, it smells so.
It smells so good. Oh. Guys, this was like $23 or something.
I'm not lying.
Mm-hmm.
It was 20.
We actually got it at Kappa Toys here in Las Vegas. You can click the iCard to watch the video.
Guys,
throw it down there. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it's gone. Oh, it's coming back. How is it coming back? Oh my gosh. Guys, I have it.
Bye guys! Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and make sure you comment down below which was your favorite part of the video. Make sure you subscribe to Pickle Snicker Fritz and Sedona Fun Kids TV. Love you guys! Mwah. Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you guys something. If you liked us doing squishy dares at the mall, then maybe we'll do more. Comment down below what squishy dares you want us to do, and maybe we'll do them, and maybe we can shout you out.